Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the short A sound and the long A sound. So we'll do a little review of what the short A sounds like, and then I'll show you how you can make a short A turn into a long A sound. So these are some short A words, okay? So we have, what's this word? Can, plan, and mad, okay? And those are short A. Can, plan, mad. Okay, so we can make these into long A words. How? By adding an E to the end. I call it the silent E. So for instance, here's my word can, but if I put that silent E at the end, I made the word cane. So this A turned into the A sound, the long A, cane. Here it's can, and here it's cane, cane. So I'll show you this way. I had the word can, but I put an E and made it into cane. I have the word mad, mad. But if I put that E at the end, it turns it into made. I made myself breakfast. Made. Made. So, same here. I have the word mad, but if I add an E, now it's the word made. Mad turned into made. Made. And then for our other word, our short A, plan. I plan to make chocolate chip cookies later. Plan. I plan to do it. But if I add my magic E, my silent E at the end, it makes the A turn into a long A sound. And now it's the word plane. Plane. We will go on a plane and fly to New York. Okay? So I had the word plan, but if I add that E with my blue marker, I changed it to plane. Plane. So I had can into cane, plan into plane, and mad into made, just by adding an E at the end. All I did was add the silent E or the magic E. So that's one way that you can make words long vowel words, long A words. What other words can we think of that have the short A that we're going to turn into the long A? So we did can into cane, mad into made, plan into plane. Let's see if I can think of anything else. Do you know this word? T-A-P. Tap. It's like if I tap on the desk. Tap. Tap. But if I add an E to the end, I'll add the E in blue. Now I have the word tape. Tape. Like I need to tape my piece of paper together because it ripped. We need some tape. What other word? Tap to tape. Oh, I know one. This word, R-A-T. Do you know it? Rat. It's like a mouse zipping all around. A rat. It's like a bigger mouse. But if I add an E to the end, I'll add an E in blue so you can see it. Now I've made the word rate. 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 We'll do one more. How about cap? Cap. A cap can be like a bottle cap, the top on a bottle. A cap can also be like a hat, like a baseball cap. So this is the word cap, and it has the short A. App. But if I add an E to the end, I created the word cape. Cape. A cape is like what Superman wears. A cape. Okay? This could also be like a cape, kind of. Cape. So, that is your lesson on the short vowel sound A, can, man, cap, tan, tap, into the long A. Cane, plane, cape, tape, rate. Okay? So maybe you can think of some short A words that turn into long A words when you add that magic E, that silent E. You don't even hear the E, okay? You're not changing the word plan to planey. You don't even say the E, okay? You don't even say it. Pretend it's not a sound. It's silent. So it's plan to plane. Can to cane. Okay? You don't even say the E. As soon as you see it, you know it's changing this A sound from a short A to a long A. All right? So that's my trick, my tip of the day on how to change short A words into long A words. I hope it helped. See you next time. Bye.